In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix the issue of your iPhone not sending messages. If this guide is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be really frustrating when you're unable to send messages, whether they appear as green or blue. Let's walk through the steps to fix it. The first thing you should try is simply resending the message. If you see a red exclamation mark, tap on it and press try again to see if it will go through. If that doesn't work, check your network connection. You can do this by looking at the signal strength in the top right corner of your screen. If you're sending green messages SMS, ensure you have a solid connection to your mobile network, which is shown by the bars to the left of your Wi-Fi icon. For blue messages iMessages, you'll need a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If your signal is weak, try moving to a different location for a better signal. Alternatively, if you're using Wi-Fi, you can enable Wi-Fi calling to send messages through your Wi-Fi network. To enable Wi-Fi calling, open your settings, scroll down to Phone, and tap on it. Then, switch on Wi-Fi calling. This will allow you to send SMS messages over Wi-Fi, which is especially useful when you're in an area with poor mobile service. Next, you can also try enabling the Send as SMS option. Go back to Settings, then tap Messages. Scroll down and turn on Send as SMS to allow your iPhone to send messages as regular text messages if iMessage is unavailable. If all else fails, try restarting your iPhone. To do this, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on your screen. Once your iPhone restarts, check if your messages are now sending.